Shopkins, Shopkins. Oh, I love Shopkins.
Say what?
I'm manly. I'm a manly man. I'm the most manliest man in the whole entire world.
I just heard you sing the song Shopkins.
No, I didn't. Look, get out of my house.
We're not in the house, you doofus.
Yes, we are. Look at the door up there.
Huh. I never really saw that. But have you seen Teddy? I don't know where he is, and he's been missing for a while.
For 7 seconds?
Yeah.
No.
Guys! Oh. There he is.
Now I have to go get him.
Guys, look what I found. What is it?
I think it's some mystery goop.
Whoa, it looks pretty cool.
Lame.
Shopkins, Shopkins.
Was he just singing the Shopkins song?
Yeah, he's pretty weird. I caught him doing that earlier.
Really?
I wish I had my phone so I could record it. It'd been really funny. So, what is this, actually?
I don't know. Some kind of mystery goop. It's pretty, kind of like you.
You said that out loud. You know that, right?
Let's just see what this goop is.
Looks weird.
Looks like pink slime. Fire! Fire! Ooh, dibs.
Oh, no, you don't.
Get out of my mystery goop that I found. Fine. Always annoys people. I hate when he does that. Hey, he made me fall. How's my hair? Cool.
Really?
Yeah. So, what do you plan on doing with this mystery goop? Like, what is your desire with this mystery goop? Yeah, I'm just gonna test it out. Hey, Frankie, I have something for you. Oh, she's sleeping. With Ryan? Oh, heck no. Oh, heck no. No. It was just a dream. Wait a minute. Get off me! Babes can't resist my hunky body. Another dream? I need to stop having these dreams. I'm just gonna drink some apple juice, yeah.
Whoa. Can I touch it, though?
No!
Okay.
You get away from my goop.
What?
I'll kill you if you touch one more finger on my goop. I'll kill you! I will destroy you!
I don't think I want to hang out with you anymore.
Good! At least you don't get to take my goop. Come on, mystery goop. Let's go. Boss says he'll give you the money later. Later? I want now! Since I don't have my slingshot, I guess I'll have to jump. Yeah, that's what you get, you phony. Alright, mystery goop. Now we're really safe. Nobody could touch you. Let's be best friends forever. Whoa! You're a mystery goop, but I didn't think you would talk.
Yes. I am the mystery goop, and let's be best friends.
You don't need any of them. Just me.
Really?
There's the boss that owes you money. Really? A long day. I'm just gonna go to sleep. Yeah, get him, boss. Get him. Oh. I remain victorious. And I wasn't even your boss. That's a piece of goop. I'm out. One day I'll make a great friend.